you probably know what we're making. We're making one of these army trucks. They look beasts, don't they? What? Oh yeah, sorry. I'm with nuttycallum again. Yay! What? Say hi. Okay, it's gonna be. What? Oh my gosh, who are you? What do you want? Sorry. Nobody look at my messages. Okay. Now that looks beast. I'll give you a little tour around what we're supposed to be building today. Oh, I didn't do the steering wheel because you can't do it. Callum, I forgot to say, doggy, say hi. Right, guys, okay. The materials you will need is quartz blocks, and you won't need to do that. These obsidian. You need to go in there. You need to get, I don't know who you are, but there you go. And now you need to get some birch or sprucey wood. And you need to get, let me think, gates, French gates, and slabs.
Actually, can I just say something?
What?
Well, if you can move the stuff in Minecraft Xbox 360 edition,
Yes.
could you subscribe and send us something how to move it?
Move what?
And stuff like with redstone and buttons. And
Yeah, if you could do that for us, give us some support and put in the comments and how you do it. Oh my god. Okay? Wait, that's what you need as well. Any kind of stairs. No, you need quartz stairs. You need quartzy stairs. Yeah, for the sea. Let's have a look. Sorry. I need a look. Dun. Yeah, I know what you're probably thinking. You built this. It's by memory, so how could you forget? Well, I don't know. Oh my god. I need something else. It's glass panes and get out my face. Oh god. I thought you was building a that ain't an army truck.
oh, that's right.
Okay. Okay, now that bit's done. Now you need to go up one. Now it's spruce wood time. Go up 3. Now I don't know how many you need to go out, so I need to count 1, 2, 3 out. You go 3 out from there. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now you need to get some obsidian. Put that there. And then get that, and then put that there. Look. And that's how you make an US Army truck That was by the Deadlocks MP